Hi guys, it's Julie Rowlands. Just wanted to make a short video to talk with you a little bit about how to get started with using doTERRA Essential Oils. Okay, first of all, a little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Julie Rowlands and I am a doTERRA wellness advocate. So what does that mean? All that means is that I love to help people get their essential oils, and I love to teach them how to get the best out of their essential oils to support themselves and their families using natural solutions. And I have been using essential oils with myself and my family for the last couple of years, and what I would say is it has changed my life. Okay, that's all I'll say in this video. Once you are in my little community, you will hear more about that. Okay. So how can you get your hands on, or how can you get started using essential oils? Right, well, the best and the simplest and the most economical way is to start with a starter kit. They have super discounted starter kits, and there is one for every single budget, okay? So a little bit about each of them, or the ones that I talk to people about mostly. The first one is what I like to call the big bottle kit, all right? Because the bigger you go, the more value you get economically, all right? So I'm going to talk about the big bottle kit, which is the top 10 essential oils in doTERRA, the most popular ones. They're 15 ml bottles. It comes with a diffuser, and it comes with a whole year wholesale account as well. So that's the big bottle kit that has oils in it like, for example, you have lemon, lavender, easy air, and frankincense, and a number of other ones. The ones that you can use in this top 10 oils are the you in hand to use for all sorts of situations in your family's life, right? So that's the big bottle kit. That's 365 New Zealand dollars. And then there's a small bottle kit. The small bottle kit is a 5 ml bottles of the same top 10 oils, the most popular oils for everyday use, all right? And so that doesn't come with a diffuser. However, you still get the wholesale account. So what's your wholesale account going to give you? Well, when you get a doTERRA wholesale account, that just means that from the time you get started, you can then get 25% off any further purchases. And believe me, you do not have to buy further purchases. There is no kind of deal where you have to buy anything. So just so you know, that once you get started with your wholesale account, you get 25% off all of the purchases for the next year. So that is huge value. All right, so what sort of things would you be using essential oils for? Well, the most common things that people use essential oils for are things like helping with sleep, helping with managing stress, and things like digestive issues, aches and discomforts. You know, all those kinds of things that are very, very common in today's world, all right? So that's some of the things that, that I certainly have used my essential oils for. So getting back to those kits, as I said, that small bottle kit, sorry, got a bit sidetracked, that small bottle kit, that's $195. And the bonus for getting your wholesale account through me is that you get lots of goodies. I send you a goodie bag, which is a number of other little bits and pieces, up to the value of $25. You also get a number of recipes. I think there's probably about 50 recipes that you get. You get access to my private members group, both on a my website and also in Facebook. If you're not on Facebook, you can just use the website. It's no problem. And all the support that you need to use your essential oil safely and, learn more and be able to get the best out of your investment, okay? So I really, really would love to support you. So if that's something that you'd like to do, post in the comments, or wherever you're looking at this video, post in the comments and I will get in touch with you, or else go back to the person that shared this video with you and they can get in touch with me. By the way, when you get your essential oil sent to you, once you get started, you will then, you and I will get together and we'll have a follow-up session, either, these days it's going to be on Zoom or on a phone call and stuff, to help you get started. So you have my ongoing support for as long as you need it, to make sure that you get the absolute best out of your investment. So I'm really, really looking forward to that, and hopefully that's been helpful. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.